I mean, we laugh, no?
Yeah, you laugh at me and I
you
pretend
laugh.
like it's okay.
Who should you not go to for relationship advice?
I aspire for, in the world where people talk about like modern love versus traditional love, I think the essence of love kind of transcends time.
It's not a sequel at all, and she's not continue. There's no continuation of the story or anything.
I find their track quite intriguing because it's the only one which is so kind of angsty and intense.
Yeah.
मुंह क्यों छुपा रहे हो?
मैं नहीं मुंह छुपा रहा हूँ, चश्मा ठीक कर
Chashma
रहा हूँ.
theek kar rahe hai. Initially, it can be a little bit like, what's going on? Then once you do, it's liberating and it's nice.
जिस एज में ये लोग है कि फैमिली करे या करियर को ज़्यादा तवज्जो दे, तो वो उस मोड़ पे है जो मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में नहीं हूँ. मेरा कोई ऐसी फैमिली है नहीं, मुझे बच्चे तो फिलहाल चाहिए नहीं, बट आई डोंट लाइक किड्स.
हाँ, एक्चुअली मैं मेट्रो बनाता नहीं है, वो बाहर से.
Just to fill me, just to fill me.
Action is the right word, guys, because I can't wait for this film to come out in the theaters. I remember 18 साल पहले जब ये film release हुई थी, I had just kind of started being on the radio, and for a radio presenter, the songs are like, gold coins. आपके पास होता है, आप पहली बार सुनते हो और आप you're so excited because you know the song is so good before the entire world listens to it. And I remember taking each song of Metro, which is Life in a Metro, and gifting it to my audience. And here we are 18 years later. सबसे पहले तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी सर कि 18 सालों में ये मेट्रो कितना बदला है, क्योंकि वो जो दृश्य था आपका, I remember it was not very friendly towards Mumbai at that point. You almost made us feel like इस शहर में love बहुत मुश्किल है. अब तो और मुश्किल है. So your point of view on that?
हाँ, एक्चुअली मैं मेट्रो बनाता नहीं है, वो बाहर से नहीं आता, तो मुझे इसमें कहानियाँ दिखी. जो लोग यहाँ पे रहते हैं शायद उनमें कहानियाँ नहीं दिखती. बीइंग एन आउटसाइडर, तो
गिव यू न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव.
हाँ, न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव आप एज एन आउटसाइडर आप देखते हैं उस तरह से. लेकिन ये मेट्रो इतना सिनिकल नहीं है. इट्स फन, इट्स क्वर्की, इट्स विटी, इट हैज़ डिफरेंट शेड्स. बहुत ज़्यादा उस मेट्रो का प्रभाव मतलब लोग लेके ना आए इसमें, मतलब हाँ, इट्स नॉट, क्योंकि उसका कहने का तरीका थोड़ा सा सीरियस था, डार्क था. There was fun track of Coco and Irfan both, लेकिन इस बार the way we have narrated the story is different than the earlier one.
Yeah. I'm so excited, honestly, because I want to go to the theater. I want to watch all of you guys. I mean, not because you're really good looking, sure, but also because the idea of watching all of you, really dig your teeth into the skin of this a new role. And let me also say that I have a special place in my heart for love stories, because going back to music, जब तक ये एक्शन फिल्में बनती रहेंगी, हमें ये खूबसूरत गाने नहीं मिलेंगे. So thank you for bringing love back into our lives. So I've heard a rumor about Mr. Basu, which is that he has this script which is always just inside his head. How easy or difficult is it for actors to actually know what he needs or what he wants?
I think you get a pretty detailed idea of the beats of your story, the characterization through Dada's eyes. He gives you a sense of what he thinks the essence of the person is, and you get a good enough sense. As actors, I guess, yes, you're used to getting something in the form of a script where you kind of create your own process of deducing whatever you need to from that. So in that sense, yes, in the start it might be something that is a new process, but after a couple of days on set, you kind of quickly are brought into his realm, and it flows from there. Yeah, I guess it takes maybe a day or two to get used to it, but then you're off to the races after.
Thank you so much.
I think it's the process of letting go, really, more than anything. I think that it's a process of trusting, and it's a process of surrendering. And initially, it can be a little bit like, what's going on? But then once you do, it's liberating and it's magical.
Amazing. So is it true that to do another part of your sort of, sequel, you have to be Bengali? That's just a joke, guys. Please don't come at me in the comments. But truly, I'm so happy to see Coco. But it's so lovely because I don't think she's playing the same character at all.
No, not.
So,
No,
so tell
it's
us
not
about.
actually
It's not
a
at all.
sequel.
It's
in
not a
that
sequel at
sense.
all, and she's not there's no continuation of the story or anything. But the only one thing which is common, two things common, is that this film will also give you some kind of you'll go and see yourself, discover yourself in the theater. You will see yourself, your stories in the playing out in big screen. So that's the only similarity, I think.
That's amazing. Patty, you talked to us in January, I remember, a little bit about what's coming up for you. I really feel that just watching the trailer, I'm very excited to watch your track. What can you tell us now? Because हमें already तुम्हारी,
बताओ यार.
I feel like holding your hand.
तो बोल भी और मत भी बोल, कैसे करेगी?
ऐसे कैसे करते हैं? ऐसे कैसे करते हैं?
कर लेगी.
Learn from the best.
Very good.
जो ट्रेलर में वो तो बता सकते हैं.
हाँ.
इनकी क्राइसिस है जिस एज में ये लोग है कि फैमिली करे या करियर को ज़्यादा तवज्जो दे. तो वो उस मोड़ पे है जो मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में नहीं हूँ. मेरा कोई ऐसी फैमिली है नहीं, मुझे बच्चे तो फिलहाल चाहिए नहीं. बट I don't like kids.
She's not revealing anything about the film, but no embargoes on her own life. This
Yeah.
is amazing. Thank you.
वहाँ से रिफ्लेक्ट कर रही हूँ.
Love it.
बट बस यार किसी और से पूछ लो.
No, what is it about each of them that you found through this film? Like, if you had to tell us, what's the craziest thing about each of them? And tell us the crazy stuff. Don't tell us that they're good
all of
actors.
them are crazy in their own
Yeah,
way.
है ना?
Yeah.
है ना? Like,
मुँह क्यों छुपा रहे हो?
मैं नहीं मुँह छुपा रहा हूँ. चश्मा ठीक कर
Chashma
रहा
ठीक करे. All the better to see us with.
No, everybody, हर किसी में अपने तरीके से ये कैसे आया बिल, और सब थोड़े पागल है.
है ना?
अपने तरीके से everybody is little mad. I think that is very important.
Yeah.
To be a good actor and to be very creative. थोड़ा सा पागलपन नहीं हो तो क्या मजा है.
थोड़ा
बिल्कुल,
येड़ा
थोड़ा
होना
सा.
चाहिए.
हाँ, कोको भी है थोड़ी सी.
नहीं.
The craziest ones don't even know it.
And the two of you coming together for the first time, for some reason I was excited about the fact that we know your humor and we know your humor. This humor match I was very excited about. Was it exciting for you at all?
The humor?
Yeah, because I feel, he has his own sense of humor.
Very different to mine.
Yes,
Yeah.
but at least there is humor, which is a good thing.
Good.
Yeah.
So any
But the
previous-
humor was, I think, Dada's humor on like that his writing that we had to kind of funnel through ourselves. So it wasn't our humor that we were.
But
No, of
Yeah.
course.
No.
But I'm saying as
Of-
two people who
two
met
people.
each other, do you have a match in the humor that each of you bring to life?
I mean, we laugh, no?
Yeah, you laugh at me. And I
you
pretend
laugh.
like it's okay.
Yeah.
And that kid keeps going on.
Yeah, I think we tend to. Yeah.
He doesn't laugh, I do.
He laughs at me, sir.
No.
Where do I laugh?
He's very kind.
See, they're all
Kind.
on his side.
Chal, I'll be on yours.
Yeah.
Chal, I'm on
Ah.
this.
She's sitting that way as well. No, but it must be fun, right? Because I feel like we know two of you because of what we know on Instagram. And I feel that humor is a huge part of your real life. And for you as well. And I feel like it's a lot of fun. Like,
No, we had a lot of fun. I know I had a lot of fun shooting their scenes.
Yeah.
बहुत हाँ,
It
मजे
was
बहुत हुए.
a lot
But they
of
were
fun.
Lot
very
of fun.
funny.
what I also noticed is that with the first Metro, you truly showed Mumbai, and I'll give you credit for that because I'm from this city.
Okay.
Nayagan for me, and then there was Satya, and then there was Life of
Oh, wow.
Metro. 3 films truly that showed us Bombay as it is. But in this one, I'm seeing you are taking
Different
it to
cities.
other metros.
Yeah.
What is this?
Betrayal.
ये
Yeah,
betrayal to my
betrayal.
metro, sir. क्या चल रहा है?
Yeah, it's everywhere. It's a little bit in Pune also actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Bombay, Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata.
So this is business development plan. कि हम
Invest किया
expand
है।
करें, expand
नहीं,
करें.
that's what happens in today's modern life. If सब एक जगह एक शहर में रहते नहीं है. If
Sorry.
brother is working there, somebody is working there, and and it's 18 years back, the cities were not so closely knit to each other.
Yeah.
It was
So true.
It was two different world altogether.
Sure.
Now it has become one.
Yeah, because of connections
Yeah,
and
yeah, absolutely.
technology. everything.
Technology and phone, flights, connectivity.
Yeah. What is the one thing about, your track that excited you the most? And was there another track that you thought is your favorite as well?
I really enjoyed Coco's and Pankaj Ji's track
Yeah.
when I saw the trailer. I'm very excited to see that track.
Mm.
Because होता है relationships में वहाँ तक नहीं, but you know when you don't know what to do, आप थोड़े बोर हो गए हो, आपको लगता है कि कहाँ ले जाए, किस तरफ ले जाए, explore करें नहीं करें, so वो सब देखने में बड़ा मजा आएगा. And both of them are, she's such a good actor. Like even when she talks in interviews, she's like, ऐसा एकदम poetry जैसी है.
क्या बात है.
My God.
I'm
So
so dying to work
amazing.
with Coco.
With Sweet Tooth. Yeah, when I direct, no?
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Even like just to act with you, I'm dying to work with you.
I didn't have, you know, I find actually it's not a tit for tat, but I find their track quite intriguing because it's the only one which is so kind of angsty and intense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything else kind of has a touch of humor and it has a lightness, but you guys are really like all
Yeah.
poetry and artistry
And
all
rain.
that, no?
Yeah,
Rain
yeah,
and all that is
Yeah,
happening. So
and
it's
the
quite
rain was
intriguing.
so important for you even in the first.
Yeah.
I keep saying first what? Like, it's not really. Is this? Would you call it a spiritual sequel? Because that word is
What do
very
you call
popular
it?
these
I
days.
don't know.
No,
No. Nature of the film is similar. How will you call it?
The structure of the
The
film.
structure of the film is
the structure of the film, the idea of
Maybe.
having
Idea. Yeah.
multiple stories
Yeah.
and
So
hopefully
about your
collide.
lives in a metro.
Lives in
Yeah, lives in a
Life
metro.
in a metro,
Yeah.
life
But
in a
in
metro.
Deno.
But in Deno. So speaking of in Deno, guys, what is it that you most feel has been accurately captured in this movie about modern love? Because I feel modern love is so beautiful. Every era can have its own modern love, and you gave us modern love 18 years ago. So what is it about modern love that you feel finds its space in Metro and Deno?
I think maybe when I see Coco's track, you see the device being involved and how that can play a
Yeah.
part on a relationship and what
That's
that kind
true.
of accessibility has on can the effect something like that can have on a relationship is a new thing that
Correct.
probably wouldn't be
Exist
around when the
before.
first film came out.
Yeah.
So in
That's
that track, that is something that has got to do with them.
And it's such a big part of our lives now. That's the
Yeah.
third wheel.
Yeah.
The phone, the
Phone.
device.
Yeah, yeah. Mia
Yeah.
Bibi और वो. Mia Bibi और phone. ठीक है. आपके लिए?
Well, I don't know if it's. I think for me, what I enjoyed was like in Adi and my track, there's it's basically predicated on confusion, There's a lot of confusion, कि पता नहीं क्या चाहिए, you don't really know. But I think when you know, you just know. And I think that's something about, I don't know how to explain it, but I think that that's something I aspire for, in the world where people talk about like modern love versus traditional love. I think the essence of love kind of transcends time.
True.
And I think somewhere that kind of comes through. Because प्यार प्यार ही होता है, मतलब परिभाषा बदल जाती है, but the emotion is the same.
I love
And I
her.
think through the ages that comes through.
Yeah. I love it. Like you'll throw a paribhasha in. This is why we love you.
What do you mean?
Because you're so, I think you're very good with your, Hindi. And then suddenly you slip into it and I really enjoy interviewing
Oh,
you for that reason.
thanks, yeah.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Fatty, for you.
हमारी कहानी काफ़ी इंटेंस और रॉ है, तो मुझे लगता है कि वो सारे इमोशंस तो हमेशा एग्जिस्ट करते ही है प्यार में. अगर वो नहीं करेंगे तो वो प्यार नहीं है. तो पता नहीं
raw
मॉडर्न, हाँ मॉडर्न लव क्या होता है, मॉडर्न क्या सिचुएशन होती है, लाइफ हो जाती है, टेक्नोलॉजी आ जाती है, बट लव तो लव ही होता है.
Yeah.
All right, guys, before we go, this is a really fun segment. We are going to point at each other. Okay. All the best. Who amongst these 4 actors should we go to for relationship advice? In real life, guys. Coco. Okay, nice. Who should you not go to for relationship advice?
What you have revealed
Why are you
of
not
yourself in
pointing?
interviews.
Sarah and Adil are not pointing at all. Okay, thank you.
इसने बड़ा स्लाई पॉइंट किया ना.
Sly point. Okay.
इसने बड़ा स्लाई पॉइंट किया.
Who can you go to for styling tips before a first date?
Oh.
दादा.
मैं
I've been
कहाँ
with you
से?
only.
That's true.
Yeah, I think Fatima is
Yeah,
quite
maybe,
stylish.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Christy. Okay. Who would you call or who should you call from these 4 actors?
But she takes styling tips from me, huh?
I
कल भी
do.
लिया उसने.
Yeah, I take styling tips from him.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's sweet. Who would you call if you had a breakup?
Him, I've to called him also.
Aw.
Yeah.
I think I would call Sarah. She seems very no nonsense and
Yeah.
Give you the pep to be
Yeah.
like, it's okay, sister,
yeah,
go there.
no big deal.
No,
Yeah,
कुछ नहीं
stay in
होता.
your power, sis.
Yeah.
Stay in your
Adi?
power. All right.
I don't know, yeah. I don't think any of you are getting a call.
She won't call anybody.
She's not taking your
She said,
advice,
I'm not
she's
calling
calling
any of
Oh,
these.
good.
Who deals
Hi,
best-
Lucy.
This is an inside joke. I have no idea. Who deals best with matters of the heart?
Acha. Maybe. Sara?
No, I'm very good, yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think you're good with the heart.
Yeah.
Who would make the best woman at a wedding?
Sorry,
As the
sir?
bride?
No,
Not
no,
as the bride, as the best
bridesmaid.
woman.
Best man? Bridesmaid.
Bridesmaid is
If you're having a
No,
church
I'll make
wedding.
a good bride, I feel. I don't know about bridesmaid. I don't know why I would
You
say
wouldn't be a
that.
bridezilla.
मैं बहुत chaotic हूँ
No,
मगर
no.
That's true.
Who should we call from these 4 actors for the best romantic getaway recommendations?
Acha.
अच्छा
Not Anurag because he doesn't buy tickets before
Yeah,
you're on the
Tani
way.
Before he's
I
at
just
the
told us.
I think
Before he
Tani
reaches
is
the
the right
destination.
person.
Yeah. We have no
Tani is
Tani
the
ma'am
right
is the right
हाँ,
person.
Tani
is-
man.
है ना?
Okay.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to run away from their shadi ka mandap because chaos is a way of life? I love it.
Yeah.
I like the fact that I've had only one opinion in this
Let's
whole
just say
game.
at least one of
Going
those
there.
decisions was unanimous. And he didn't even know. Guys, this interview was a lot of fun for me. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
giving
Thank
us
you.
the insights
Thank
on
you.
love and life. I can't wait to watch your film.
Thank you
And
so
of
much.
course, it's dropping on the 4th of July in theaters, Metro and Dino. I wish you a lot of luck.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thank
thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Konkona.
Hello, I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm Aditya.
Hi, I'm Fatima.
Hi, I'm Anurag.
And bye. And our film Metro in Dino is coming out on the 4th of July in a theatre near you. You're watching us on Just to Film Me.